English Speaking 360 presents the Great Time Challenge. 20 questions about what time is it? What time is it? It's 6:20. It's 20 past 6. Or it's 20 minutes past 6 o'clock. So there are two ways to answer each question. I want you to try to get the easy way first and then the hard way. If you don't know how to answer the hard way, make sure you watch our other video. What time is it? It's 11:30. It's 11:30, 30 minutes past 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3:45. It's 3:45. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3:05. It's 3:05. What time is it? It's 4:40. It's 20 to 5. What time is it? It's 12:15. It's 12:15. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. It's noon. What time is it? It's 10:10. It's 10 past 10. What time is it? It's 9:50. It's 10 to 10. What time is it? It's 8:15. It's 8:15. What time is it? It's 9:25. It's 9:25. What time is it? It's 6:30. It's 6:30. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. It's midnight. What time is it? It's 7:15. It's 7:15. What time is it? It's 5:05. It's 5:05. What time is it? It's 12:30. It's 12:30. What time is it? It's 4:45. It's 4:45. What time is it? It's 4:45. It's 5:05. Good job! You've completed the challenge. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel, English Speaking 360. Goodbye!